This is a brand new 2013 Chevrolet Equinox. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, traction control and stability control systems, XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, steering wheel mounted controls, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, variable valve timing, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an anti-lock braking system, heated side view mirrors, and an auxiliary power outlet. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
DuPala Chevrolet is located at 785 Central Avenue in Albany. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.